This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm at 735 West in downtown Milwaukee, just a short walk from Marquette University's campus. This is a very imaginative, adaptive reuse of the upper floors of a Wells Fargo bank building. You have this terrific honeycomb ceiling that adds a lot of character to this space, and ceiling height soars, I'm guessing, up above 12 feet. You have wide plank flooring that extends throughout this unit. Very sleek, stylish kitchen. The GE appliance package includes a refrigerator freezer with an ice maker. There's a convection oven, a touch that cooks really love. You have 42-inch upper cabinets for additional storage, a dishwasher, a 2-burner electric cooktop. Then as I pan around, you're looking at 2 walls of windows. If the sun were shining, this unit would just be flooded with light. And the upper floors serve up great views. Panning around to where you would have entered the unit, stylish bath, all new, is off to your right. It's a wall-mounted medicine chest. Overall, this is a fun space. Enough space that you can use your imagination and find lots of ways to lay it out and make it a home. Put 735 West on your must-see list. 735 West has a large, bright fitness room with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. There's also a nicely equipped laundry room. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.